Hello everyone, today we are going to learn on how you can see if someone has unfriended you on Snapchat. It's simple, simply start by opening the app. Then go on your conversations, then click on your current friend. And now if you see this numbers, it means that you all still friends, but for those whom you are not friends you won't see this numbers. It's simple, just search a random user, and click on it. And as you can see we don't have those numbers, so which means you not friends. So thanks for watching, and if you are new, make sure you subscribe.